Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is cleaning the leaves off the vehicle. So why is this important overall, right? And what should you do, right? Well, this time of year, all the leaves on the trees are really falling. And it's beautiful outside. And you can see a lot of leaves everywhere, including my place over here. But these leaves are actually pretty much harmful, you know and it's all over the streets and everything like that, right? So it just fall. You don't need to do much, and the wind will blow it around, and when it rains and stuff like that, it gets a little bit nasty over time. I could tell that for sure. So if you fall in the vehicle over here, especially near the area you see the wipers, and that's where the pollen filter, the cabin filter, gets the air from. So and you say, well, you'll just drive it around and they'll fall off. Yeah, sure, some of them will fall off, but not a lot of them. So why should you clean these? Clean your vehicle off these leaves, right? So basically, these leaves actually break down and actually could clog, the water passage. And no matter which vehicle you have, you're gonna have this problem. And a lot of people don't know this, or just don't care, or thinking that it'll blow off. But I have seen, and also not even other YouTube mechanics have mentioned this many times. It's a maintenance thing. It's just simple maintenance, right? And you need to get these leaves off your vehicle because they could break down little pieces and they could clog where the water exits, right? Then you could have a flood in your vehicle. Pretty much from the rain and everything like that. Water gets in, then you clog, then you could get mold. You could just get a lot of different stuff. I mean, that's a simple thing to do. I mean, I'm noticing more and more people either don't have time or don't care or just don't know. I mean, I thought maybe this would help. I did tell my neighbor, and she acknowledged it and she cleaned it. I do not know about it as well too. So it's a just simple maintenance to do. Just clean the leaves off the vehicle, especially near the wiper area or the sunroof area as well too. And these leaves, they break down to little pieces. You can see this on the floor over here. So it's just worthwhile to do a simple maintenance that doesn't cost much, and doesn't take a lot of time, but your vehicle will appreciate it. Hopefully you like this video surprise today. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Comment and share, please leave it below. And I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.